I'm cooking the flour right now, making the roux. A little white wine from leftover from last night. You add butter, mantequilla. Add a little bit of more fume or fish stock. They call it fume. A little bit of paprika. And look at my mussels. And here we have the fish. Rebecca, help me here, please. That's our whole corvina. Beautiful. A bit of heavy cream. Put some heavy cream right now. This is half and half. I used the heavy cream already. Y Rebequita, my daughter Rebequita Sosa, she's helping out with the mussels. A lot of mussels. This is brandy from Spain. Un brandy de España. Felipe II. I'm cooking for 25, so I'm adding quite a bit. This is saffron from Spain. So, you know, it takes saffron. Delicious. And this is nutmeg. You buy it like this anywhere, Publix, and then it has to be very thin, fine. Remember, I'm cooking for 25. The black mussels from Canada.
The meat.
Calamari. Let's check on the barley. See how it's coming along. Remember, barley is like almost non-existent. You don't want to add too much barley. So this is red shrimp from Argentina. And look at it's a nice size because it's gonna reduce, but it's wild. It's not farm raised. I don't like farm. Now I'm adding the shrimp. And this is chives. We're gonna add chives and Italian parsley together. And the last thing we do is add corvina. See, little chunks of corvina. It's gonna reduce, always does. Okay, so it's ready. So now we serve a little bit of fish, a little bit of calamari, mussel, and then we just add a little bit the Italian parsley and the chives. And this is good with a glass of white wine. On point. Don't forget to serve it with French baguette sliced. Okay? Bye.